In this quick video, I'll show you how to stake XYO token step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then connect your wallet. As you can see, I have already connected my MetaMask wallet, and make sure that you're also using Ethereum network. Then let's go to pool tab here, click new position, click here, and then type down XYO, click here. As for the fee tier, I suggest you choose 0.3% because this is best for most pairs. And then we have here what we call the setting the price range. So when making a price range decision, you should consider the degree to which you think prices will move over the course of your position's lifetime. You should also consider your willingness to actively manage the position as the market evolves and the economics of transactions required to actively manage a position. So after you set your price range, you can just type down the amount of XYO token you want to stake. For example, 1000 XYO. And then you will also have to pay or deposit this amount of Ethereum. Now, once you have typed down the amount of XYO token you want to stake, click here and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up and you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. Since we are using Ethereum network, you're going to pay in Ethereum token. Then once you have paid for the gas fee, wait for the transaction to be completed and then go back here and you will see here your active V3 liquidity position. And if you have any questions about how to stake XYO token, leave a comment below.